So guys, what do you want to do tonight?
I don't know, Junior. Whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm down for anything.
Well, you guys want to see what I built?
Oh yeah, dude.
Sure.
All right, come on. Look guys, look at the pillow fort I built, and we're gonna sleep in it tonight.
Oh dude, it looks so amazing.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than your last pillow fort.
Yeah, I put a lot of effort into this one.
Wait, Junior, I'm really hungry though.
Don't worry, Joseph, 'cause I ordered pizza.
Pizza, dude, really?
Yeah, pepperoni.
Oh man, I love pepperoni.
What?
Oh, well, isn't that convenient?
What?
Well, you said you ordered pizza, and then the doorbell rings. I'll bet it's the pizza man.
What? It most likely is, 'cause I ordered pizza.
Yeah.
Duh.
Isn't that convenient?
Yeah, come on, let's go. Hello?
Hey there, you ordered pizza?
Yeah, I did, a pepperoni pizza.
Yeah, give me them Ronies.
Let me see them Ronies.
All right, that'll be $4.90.
Well, here's a 5. Keep the change, bub.
That's cool. I guess my kids just won't eat tonight.
What?
What?
I said keep the change.
No, I heard you. And that's you give me a tip of 10 cents. So that's fine. My kids will just starve. That's cool.
You're saying you want more money?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, I got another $1.
Wow, now that's more like it. Yeah, $1.10.
Okay.
That's really amazing. You take your pizza.
All right, thank you.
Now take this money.
All right, guys, we got our pizza for our pillow fort.
Oh dude, I'm so ready to eat some pizza.
The cat in the pillow
Oh,
fort.
dude, we should invite Chef Pee-Pee.
Yeah, we should invite Chef Pee-Pee.
Oh,
cat in the
dude, we
pillow.
could have a pillow fight.
Oh yeah, pillow fight. I'd like beating Chef Pee-Pee like.
Yeah, beat him up.
Cat in the pillow fort.
Cody, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the cat in the pillow fort, Junior.
There's not a cat in the pillow fort.
What is he talking about?
There's a cat in our pillow fort.
Yeah, I know, I told you.
Where'd that cat come from?
Dude, I don't know.
What, you've never seen this cat before?
No, I've never seen a cat. We don't have a cat. That's weird. Why did a cat come in our pillow fort? How did it get in the house?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, how do we get it out? I don't want it inside my pillow fort.
Junior, hold on.
What's wrong, Cody?
I'm allergic to cats.
What?
I'm allergic to cats.
You're allergic to cats?
Yeah.
Just a nerd, dude.
Yeah.
Not allergic.
I can't breathe.
What do we do?
I need an EpiPen.
Oh, you need a pin?
Yeah.
There's no time to draw right now, Cody. You can't breathe.
Junior, I need help.
Let's get him out of here. Come on.
Come on, Cody. Such a loser.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yeah, our friend's been passed out for like 15 minutes.
Well, what happened?
Well, we were near a cat, and they started breathing weird, and they asked for a pen, and then he passed out.
Well, it sounds like he had an allergic reaction to a cat.
What's that?
Well, it means that if he's around cats for too long, he could die.
His weakness is cats?
Wow, Cody's such a loser, dude.
Yeah, what a stupid weakness, cats.
Well, it's not a weakness, he's just allergic.
What if Superman's weakness was cats?
He wouldn't be super.
Oh, you're like, oh no, there's a cat, I can't fly anymore.
No, it's not a weakness, it's just an allergy. Like, for me, I'm allergic to fresh cut grass.
You're allergic to grass?
Well, if it's fresh cut grass, so like the first 5 minutes after somebody cuts grass, I can't go outside. Just my nose knows that it's fresh cut, and so it causes problems.
Well, what a stupid weakness.
Right?
Well, look, I used to be in the military like a couple years ago, and while I was overseas, somebody cut the grass, and I was done.
Oh, okay, he probably won it on this side, right there.
Okay. Ooh, yeah! Oh, that's the stuff! Bone saw is ready! I feel like I'm kissing God!
Whoa, Cody, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I am on fire! But I'm not getting near that cat again, Junior. It almost killed me.
Okay, so what do we do?
Well, I'm...
Oh my God! I'm dying. Who did that? I'm dying. It's awesome. Any second now. Any second now. Oh no! I fell asleep! Did I miss it? And I know the perfect way to do it.
I think we're doing pretty good, sir. I mean, I don't see any troops heading our way.
Hey, Springtrap. Hey, Bonnie. Do you see any Super Mario people? Nope. I don't see no one, Bonnie. Absolutely no one.
Oh, okay. Just let us know when you see someone.
All right. Oh, that's gotta hurt. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Can't really tell.
Here, the pillow fort is nice, our base, but we have to be careful. Cody, Joseph, Toad might come in and shoot us, so we have to be ready. Oh my God, sound in here. We might have a time to attack. Do I, Freddy? Freddy? Wait, he got taken by Cody. Oh, god damn it! Someone go save him!
Junior, where are you, Junior? Junior, come out to play. Come on, Junior. Here's Cody. Ow!
I got you.
Right in my ear.
I got you, Cody.
Ow!
Oh boy. Hello. Oh boy. Hello.
Big match! Big match! I am a traitor.
This will stop you.
Holy shit! Man, I'm dead. Junior, they're everywhere. What are we gonna do?
Since Joseph's a traitor and didn't destroy the party, I'm gonna have to do it myself. I'm gonna sneak into the party.
Isn't Toad super strong and almost killed us with his toy Freddy? We're inside the drone, but I don't see anything. I got this mini drone. Even though it's pure darkness. What about you? Wait, where's the lights? The lights. I've seen worse than death itself. Jesus Christ. But I got this drone. I don't know. Ciao! We have to be calm. I feel something coming. We have to go. Now, send the army. In the Nerf war. Now what? We should fight. Let me. Okay. Okay, I'm controlling it.
Ow! Yeah, you gotta hit me in the face. It's still pretty cool though, right?
I'm gonna shoot him.
Okay, Junior, go ahead and come out. I know you're over there.
Never. Okay. I'm safe behind this couch. What do I use? Step 1, grab your bat.
Junior, Joseph is still alive and he's out for revenge. And this pillow fort is too crowded. Too much FNAF characters and you. Yeah. It's so crowded. What are we gonna do, huh? The drone. I don't know where it is. It's not appearing in my radar. It's not even appearing. What should we do? God damn it. Hey, it's crowded. I think we should go to bed. I picked that to me dream. Yeah. What about you? Nope. Fine, yes. What about you guys? I'm too far away. I can't see because it's too crowded. I hope no people, soldiers won't come. Now I'm claustrophobic now. There's so many now. The whole screen can't fit. There's Junior, you're also here, right? Yes. Let's just go to sleep. Oh, shit.
Oh no! I fell asleep. Did I miss it?
Okay, Junior, go ahead and come out. I know you're over there.
Teabag!
What? Oh, you're disgusting, dude.
Wait, you didn't tell me you get teabagged after you get shot? Joseph, you owe me a teabag.
And, Joseph is dead, I think. Yep, he's definitely dead. Ching! Oh, my. No, wait. Ah! have to go back to Joseph's base.
Ha! You guys.
I got it! Oh, my biscuits!
So.
¿Cómo te llamas, Junior? Oh man, nobody can defeat the king of Nerf game. You guys suck.
Oh, gosh.
12 o'clock midnight.
I'm gonna knock it down. I'm gonna knock down their fort. Hold up!
Right, I'm controlling the drone. Okay, I don't see Toad or Joseph or Cody. I think we're good. Sir, I see something. Yep, there's the enemies. We have Cody, yeah. Time to alert. Better hurry up.
This is too easy.
Oh no, I see Toad. I think I see him. Come on. Yes, I do see him. What button? Press. Yes. And battle stations. Come on. I see him. Yes. Okay. Hey, what is that? Is that a woodpecker? Is that a toad or a woodpecker? I knew it was spine on toad. We will win the war. Make the landing. Okay, I landed. Achoo! You thought it was done. What's Toad's gonna think about this? Hey, what? He was trying to sneak in and shoot Joseph, Cody, and Toad. Oh, greedy pig! Oh, he's gone. Where's Toad? He left to kill Junior. That's good. He's our boss. I know what we should do. An AI to help us. I know what to do. We should know Gary one and shoot them to death. And kill their leaders. Yeah, that's a good idea.
You ready for this bath, Ken?
Cannon!
Well. You stepped in the wrong neighborhood, boy. What?
Die, Toad!
great can! Yeah. Whoa! Did I get him?
Gotcha, Cody.
Oh man, this is awful. Why can't we just... Lefty!
Nobody can defeat the king of Nerf game! You guys suck! Had to get the big boy out!
You're not gonna win, Toad. You're not gonna win.
Come on, Julian!
Julian!
I was about to f your sh.
Oh, wow, yeah, wow, I was wide open.
Yeah.
He missed me! This is too easy! What?
Die, Toad.
To watch some brain rot. I love you, skibbity toilet and Italian brain rot.
What's all that noise? Oh, a baby!
Hello, Duke. Can you keep me warm?
What's so sad, tra-la-la-la-la? We will win. Ha ha ha, Toad will win. Today. You're alive?
We're getting shot at from every corner! Gotcha! Attack! Keep him out of here! You're a dead man, senor! Gotcha! I don't have a gun! I don't...
He missed me!
Oh, you want to bet? All I wanted to do was play pool, and you got in the way and you had to ruin it.
Your strength has returned. But the weakness still remains.
big baby. He ran like a baby. Die, Toad.
You know this isn't over.
Oh, sorry, kid. I don't know what came over me. That nip is some strong stuff. Just stay away from it.
Well, it didn't make Precious leave the fort, and I want her out, so get her out.
Well, I don't know what to do, kid. I did everything I can think of.
Well, try more stuff. Try harder. Look, get her out. Do whatever you have to do to get her out, because I want her out of my pillow fort. My whole night's ruined, so get her out of the stupid pillow fort.
What, really? Whatever I have to do?
Whatever you have to do, just get her out.
Okay. All right, Precious. I'm gonna try one more thing.
What?
You get out of there!
What?
Get out of here, you stupid cat!
She left. She left.
Yeah, I did it.
What? But you destroyed my pillow fort.
Well, you said do whatever I had to do.
But what? Not destroy the fort.
Well, look, she's out of there, so say thank you and I can leave.
No, you destroyed my pillow fort.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You destroyed my pillow fort. I spent all night refixing it. I spent all night building my new pillow fort, and now it's done. I can't wait to get in it. What? Precious! Ah!